In this video, we will learn how to use the AI-powered import feature for quick onboarding in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. AI-powered import is an intelligent onboarding feature that automatically maps and imports employee data from Excel files into the system, helping organizations onboard users faster with fewer manual errors. To begin, go to the side navigation panel and click on the Team menu. From the list of submenus, select Team Members. This will open the page displaying all team members in your organization. Now, click on the Import Users button located above the team members list. From the Import interface, select the AI-powered Import tab. Before uploading, ensure that your Excel file contains proper employee-related fields such as name, email ID, designation, mobile number, department, or date of joining. Once the file is uploaded, the AI import engine will automatically map your file's fields, shown in blue with the system fields shown in white. If any field remains unmapped, you can instantly create a new profile field using the Create New Field option. This helps maintain accurate and structured employee data during onboarding. After reviewing the mapped fields, click on the Next button. On the next page, the system will display the number of new user records detected along with the confirmation message asking, "Are you ready to process the users?" Here, you will also see additional options such as send welcome email to new users, exclude existing users, update blank values, and create new designation. Enable these options based on your onboarding requirements. Once everything is reviewed, click on the Process Users button to complete the import process. The system will then automatically create user profiles and onboard employees into uKnowva HRMS. That's it. You now know how to use the AI-powered import for quick onboarding feature in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.